Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy D Smoke, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Galaxy S25 FE. Yeah, I ordered this phone from T-Mobile. Let's see what we got here. This is going to be my secondary phone. Oh no, I might sell it after a year. Can't call it yet. Might make a profit. Might not. It all depends on. The last Samsung phone I had, the last Galaxy I had was the Samsung Galaxy, I think maybe the 5? In here first. What's in here? What's this? Let's back up a little bit. What we got here? I don't know what this is. This is a box in a box. The papers, what, instructions? Let's see. Okay, we got a SIM key for the SIM tray. What else we got in here? It should have been a case. That would have been cool. Your instructions, how to use, terms, conditions, blah, blah, blah. What else we got here? USB-C to USB-C cord. It's cool. No charger. No charger. That's all you get in the box. Move that. Okay, let's check it out. Feels light. Feels good though. Just gives me, wow. I don't know. It's a little larger than my iPhone 17 Pro, but this kind of gives me iPhone vibes. Yeah, this kind of gives me iPhone vibes. What's this? Your volume on the side, your power. No buttons here. Okay, your SIM tray on the bottom. Let's get the other phone. Activate that, set that up quick, fast. Okay. I went from the Moto G Play to the Samsung S25 FE. Now let's take out the SIM card. Take the SIM card out of that. Now the SIM tray is on the bottom. That's kind of cool. Instead of having it on the side, you can put something else on the side, you know? Put it back in. See if I got some juice. Let's turn it on. Any juice? Okay, let's plug it up. Seems like, I don't know, usually like when I order a device, it usually comes with a little bit of charge. That would help if I turn it on too, right? Okay. Let's charge it over here. Instead of having to plug up the computer. Now let's see. It's kind of cool. Let's turn it on. Samsung Galaxy. I like the feel of this phone in my hand. It feels good. The phone is a little too big though. Service updated, needed, restart. If I'm correct, I should be able to. Oh, I can't plug it up to my iPhone because I'm currently recording on the iPhone. Phone will restart for update. Service update needed. Okay. It's restarting. How long does this take? Connect. While that's doing that, let's turn on this iPad. Let's set this up. Getting your phone ready. Okay, how long is this gonna take? Yeah, I'm gonna have to fast forward this part of the video. All right, let that set up. It looked like it did something, y'all. Okay, it wants me to sign in, finally. Two-step verification. Using a cable that lets you transfer more data. You know what? We're not going to copy. Protect your phone, prevent others. Face recognition. Let's put in a pin. You're going to ask me to do it again. Now it's asking me to look directly at camera, then tilt your head up. Okay, you can't do it with glasses, y'all. You can't do it with glasses. You cannot do it with glasses. Face registered. Okay. Send diagnostics. No, we don't need that. Turn on backup. Okay, assistant. Press and hold the side button to talk to Gemini. Turn on Hey Google on the next screen. Go hands-free with Hey Google. Let's turn it on.
I can turn things on for you, but I need to know what you'd like to turn on. Could you please be more specific?
I wasn't talking to you. Okay. Okay. Samsung wants to do some things. Talks a Bippy the way you like. Set continue. With dark mode. It's recommended. We'll go with it. Welcome to your device. Never had a device ask me stuff like this. You reached the end of the list. All done, finish. And that's how you set up the new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Like, comment, subscribe. But before you do that, let's give it a test. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna call my other number. Let's see if this rings.
The person you're trying to reach is not available.
I forgot.
At the tone, please record your message.
Okay, well, we know it works because it got my voicemail, but I forgot I'm in Do Not Disturb mode. Every time when I do my content, I'm in Do Not Disturb mode. Well, everything seems perfect. And that's how you set it up, y'all. So let's check out, we'll check out some features in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, y'all.